Hello children, now we are going to do the continuation of the chapter circles. In the given figure, chord ED is parallel to the diameter AC of the circle. Given angle CBE equal to 65 degree. Calculate angle DEC. Given ED parallel to AC, angle CBE equal to 65 degree. To find angle DEC, join OE. Arc EC subtends angle EOC at the center and angle EBC at the remaining part of the circle. Therefore, angle EOC equal to 2 into angle EBC equal to 2 into 65 degree equal to 130 degree. Now, in triangle OEC, OE equal to OC. Therefore, angle OEC equal to angle OCE, angle opposite to equal sides. But angle OEC plus angle OCE plus angle EOC equal to 180 degree, sum of all angles of a triangle. Therefore, angle OEC plus angle OCE equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. Therefore, angle OEC equal to angle OCE equal to 50 degree divided by 2 equal to 25 degree. Since AC parallel to DE, therefore angle ACE equal to angle DEC, alternate angles. Therefore, angle DEC is equal to 25 degree. Next question. If I is the incenter of a triangle ABC and AI when produced meets the circumcircle of triangle ABC in point D. If angle BAC equal to 66 degree and angle ABC equal to 80 degree. Calculate first part angle DBC, second part angle IBC, third part angle BIC. Given that I is the incenter of a triangle ABC and AI when produced meets the circumcircle of triangle ABC into point D. Angle BAC equal to 66 degree, angle ABC equal to 80 degree. To find angle DBC, angle IBC, angle BIC. Join DB, DC, IB and IC. Since angle DBC equal to angle DAC, angles in the same segment. But angle DAC equal to half of angle BAC, since I is the incenter of triangle ABC. That is equal to half into 66 degree equal to 33 degree. Therefore, angle DBC equal to 33 degree. Since I is the incenter of triangle ABC, therefore, IB bisect angle ABC. Therefore, angle IBC equal to half of angle ABC equal to half into 80 degree equal to 40 degree. Angle BAC equal to 66 degree. Angle ABC equal to 80 degree. In triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 180 degree minus angle BAC plus angle ABC equal to 180 degree minus 66 degree plus 80 degree equal to 180 degree minus 146 degree equal to 34 degree. Since IC bisects angle C, therefore angle ICB is equal to half of angle C. That is equal to half into 34 degree equal to 17 degree. Now, in triangle BIC, angle IBC plus angle ICB plus angle BIC equal to 180 degree angle sum property, which implies that 40 degree plus 70 degree plus angle BIC is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle BIC is equal to 180 degree minus of 40 degree plus 17 degree. That is equal to 180 degree minus 57 degree equal to 123 degree. That is angle BIC is equal to 123 degree. Next question. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC. Angle BCE equal to 80 degree and angle BAC equal to 25 degree. Find angle CAD, second part angle CBD, third part angle ADC. Given that AB parallel to DC, angle BCE equal to 80 degree, angle BAC equal to 25 degree. To find angle CAD, angle CBD, angle ADC. First, join BD. Since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AB parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a cyclic trapezium. We know that in a cyclic trapezium, the non-parallel sides are equal. That is, AD equal to BC. Therefore, ABCD is an isosceles trapezium. Exterior angle BCE equal to angle BAD. We know that exterior angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angles. Therefore, angle BAD is equal to 80 degree. But angle BAC equal to 25 degree. Therefore, angle CAD is equal to angle BAD minus angle BAC equal to 80 degree minus 25 degree equal to 55 degree. Angle CBD is equal to angle CAD, angles in the same segment. Therefore, angle CBD is equal to 55 degree. Now, angle BCD equal to 180 degree minus angle BCE, linear pair. That is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 degree. Angle ADC equal to angle BCD, angles of the isosceles trapezium. Therefore, angle ADC equal to 100 degree. So, I hope this exercise was clear to you all. Practice the questions.